we are going to lose games throughout the tournament. If it happened to be the first one, it didn't really matter. It is a relief to be off and running. It's great to get a win, and it's even better to produce a performance like that. He's had a full day out, and when he does, it's extremely entertaining, and it's great for the game, because we see a lot of them in training do stuff like that all the time, and you just shake your head at it because it doesn't happen every day. And today his all-round game was on, and that's great for us at the start of a tournament. It shows that he's right on top of his game.